Hey guys, and welcome to 4D-Dig. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to run DeepSeek locally on Mac. So DeepSeek is the open source large language model, and you can free use it on your own Mac without needing the internet. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and let's dive in. To run DeepSeek locally on Mac, the first thing we need is to download the Allama and Chatbox AI app. I've put the download link below the description. After the apps are downloaded, install Allama. And then here, it's saying that we need to run our first model. So copy this command and then click on the top right corner to open the Spotlight. Search for terminal and paste the command here. Now it's starting to install the Allama. After Allama is installed and running, you'll need to install the DeepSeek model. So going to Models page on Allama site and search for DeepSeek here. There's multiple versions of DeepSeek. Look for the DeepSeek R1 model that everyone's excited about and click on it. And then what we need to do is to select our version. The higher the size, the more resources it's going to take, but the more accurate. Here, I'm just going to use the basic 17B, for example. Copy the command and then execute it in the terminal window. Once the success message is displayed, shut down the terminal and let's install Chatbox. This is a free chat application which is going to help manage the user interface for use DeepSeek. Now the chat box is open here. To configure this, we don't need to pay for anything. Here we select Use My Own API Key or Local Model option. Select the Allama API. Select the DeepSeek R1 we have. Now you can enjoy your DeepSeek model. If you disconnect from the internet, it still works. It's that powerful. Give it a try. Thanks for watching and see you next time.